This power reclining sectional sofa is a game changer. I love these three features. 1. Ultimate comfort. The power reclining function is a dream come true. With just a touch of a button, you can adjust the sofa to your perfect position for maximum relaxation. 2. Practicality. The USB charging ports are incredibly convenient. No more searching for outlets to charge your devices. And the storage console provides ample space for snacks, drinks, or remotes. 3. Stylish design. The leather upholstery gives the sofa a sleek and modern look that complements any living room. It's both stylish and comfortable. If you'd like to add more details, here are some other points you could include: the quality of the leather, the ease of assembly, the durability of the sofa, the overall value for money, specific features like the headrest or cup holders.